In the previous videos on angles and bearings, I showed you a variety of ways that horizontal angles can be entered, but there's yet another method that you can use which is particularly handy for drawing structures. Here I have a lot, and points 44 and 45 represent two corners of the house that have already been located. Now I want to draw the rest of the house. I'm going to do this with the Tract command, so I'll start the command, and I'm going to skip through the first two prompts down here until I get to the prompt for the starting point. My starting point is point 44, and now I'm prompted to enter an angle. The next point I want to go to is 45, so instead of entering the angle, I'm just going to click it. The rest of the house has been measured up and is really just 90-degree angles and distances. I can enter these very quickly by entering plus or minus angles, and when using this method, the angles are deflection angles, meaning they're plus or minus from the direction looking forward of the current location, not backwards along the backside. So for the next wall of the house, I'm going to turn 90 degrees to the right. So for my direction, I enter plus 90, and the distance is 10 feet. Next, I'm going to turn 90 degrees back left, so this time I enter minus 90, and the distance is 40. And so on around the rest of the house. I've got plus 90 at 45 feet, plus 90 at 35 feet, minus 90 at 5 feet, plus 90 at 30 feet. And now I'll just close out. And again, these are deflection angles, but also in this example, they were all 90-degree angles, but you can enter any angle that you want. Suppose there was a bay window right here. Well, you could enter those as a minus 45, then a plus 45, and another plus 45.